You might have meticulously planned out your tiny rooms, but somehow that clutter still manages to creep in. Rather than stack up boxes or use unsightly plastic trays, why not try some of our clever storage ideas to save space, even in the tiniest house? Here are 15 storage ideas for small spaces. 1. Keep everything in one place. When there isn't room for a lot of different furniture pieces in your home, choose one that will house everything. Buy a multi-purpose dresser that includes drawers, cupboards, and display space. Plus, it provides extra surface space for hot dishes ready for serving. 2. Use storage to divide spaces. If your living room is also your kitchen, dining room, or even bedroom, use block furniture and handy storage to divide the space. Placing units behind a sofa is another genius way to maximize your storage without taking up wall space and helps to define and separate areas further. 3. Use baskets for quick clear-ups. Labeled baskets are a practical way to separate everyone's shoes and outdoor gear, so line up several on shelving at different heights in the hallway or utility room. Color-coded labels help young kids who aren't reading yet stow their stuff too. Store them on shelves in the hallway to free up the important floor space in small spaces. 4. Create an understairs utility. Take an orderly approach to your understairs space, however small it is. Add clips, hooks to the door, or wall to free up floor or cupboard space, and make sure all your cleaning tools are easy to find. If you have space, add a well-stocked trolley or a bucket filled with your cleaning kit, all kept together. 5. Make a headboard with storage. If you are negotiating a small bedroom, the headboard is the perfect space to squeeze in some extra storage. You can buy a bed with headboard storage or DIY. With a headboard that has storage, it will give you additional space. 6. Use the walls. Make the most of every last bit of space in your home and build floor-to-ceiling shelving and cupboard space. If you have lots of books or records, it's a great solution for storing them, while at the same time creating a striking wall of color. 7. Use space around a door. Why stop at the walls? Build deep shelves in the wasted space around a doorway to store books. You may even find you have space to squeeze in a few lovely green plants and any other knickknacks in need of a home. 8. Make the most of an alcove. You can make an alcove from bookcases. Lay a narrow bookcase on its side to create an alcove bench for seating and storage. Pop a basket or storage box into each section of the shelving, or you can make an alcove according to your imagination and ideas. 9. Invest in a trolley. A trolley has a million uses. You can use it to organize anything from craft supplies to groceries to toys to cocktail paraphernalia. And because it's on wheels, you can maneuver it so that it's always out of the way, however small your space. 10. Make the most of space under windows. From benches where you can take off your shoes and dump the detritus of the day, to built-in cubbies for toys and games, the space under a window can be a very handy storage spot. 11. Create a media storage system. A TV can take up valuable space in your living room. Don't allow it to. Instead, use it as a focal point to build storage around. Simple shelving and movable TV units are something tailored to your needs. Try fitting a bespoke design. 12. Build a home office in an alcove. Want a swanky home office but don't have room for one? Why not transform an alcove into a hideaway office? All you need are open shelves, perfect for storage boxes, which can sit above a desk consisting of a simple plank of wood. You could choose to hide the area behind folding or sliding doors to keep all the clutter tucked out of sight. Wix has a range of folding doors. 13. Use every inch of space in the kitchen. Where space is tight in a small kitchen, it is important not to waste even a millimeter of potential storage space. A thin pull-out cupboard with multiple shelves or racks offers the perfect solution and makes food supplies easy to view and reach. 14. Keep hallway clutter at bay. A bench with storage beneath is an ideal way to contain hallway clutter. Baskets allow shoes, hats, and other paraphernalia to be tucked away out of sight. Add labels so everyone has an individual place for their things. This also makes missing items easy to find in a hurry. The hooks above use wasted wall space to order coats. 15. Use underbed storage in a children's room. Utility space under your child's bed by asking a carpenter to create one that incorporates storage space. These fun bunks have an ultimate storage for toys and clothes. Alternatively, you could look to buying a ready-made option with drawers or even a desk built in beneath.